Hello everyone, I am Santosh Kumar. This presentation is about migrating our organization's infrastructure to the cloud. This is the summary of this presentation. In recent times, our organization has been experiencing high growth. Due to this, our data centers has been maxed out. We need immediate plans to handle the growth to sustain. We propose the cloud adaptation model in order to support the growing demands and to satisfy the requirements immediately. It has significant benefits to the organization. They are on-demand resource, scalability, pay-per usage, no investment, etc. Certainly, there are risks associated like data flowing through the internet and privacy. Various cloud delivery and deployment models ensure that the organization's requirements are satisfied. This improves the productivity as well as the economics of the organization. Let's discuss about cloud. The cloud is a metaphor for internet. It is just the computation done over the remote machine through internet. There are a lot of definitions out there. The following one is provided by Microsoft. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet. Companies offering this service are called cloud service providers. Typically, they will be charged based on their usage, similar to electricity. Basic capabilities of cloud. The services provided by the cloud are measured automatically and bills are based on the measurement. It provides a self-service portal where anyone can access it. It is completely based on service-oriented architecture. There is no capital investment. Everything is offered as a service under subscription. Cloud has the elastic property. It can scale up as well as down depending upon the need. Cloud has been established on the strong grounds of virtualization and internet technologies. This makes it more easier and flexible to consume. There are 4 deployment and 4 service delivery models to satisfy the requirements of the organization. The deployment models provide the type of cloud required for the organization. Deployment models are public, private, hybrid, and community. In public, the services are offered through internet. In private, the cloud is deployed on our own infrastructure and accessed through internal networking. Hybrid is the combination of both, where we have our own infrastructure and we scale to the public when needed. During the peak demands, hybrid will scale to the public cloud. Service delivery models provide the type of services offered by the cloud. Software as a service, or SaaS, provides the software over the internet. It can be accessed through web browsers. Example, Gmail. PaaS, or Platform as a Service, provides the execution environment for the application. Example, Google Compute Engine. IaaS, or Infrastructure as a Service, provides the bare metal resource like compute, network, storage, etc. The cloud has advantages as well as disadvantages. The advantages are ability to scale globally. The services are provided by data centers across the world. The cloud has proved it to be reliable using redundancies and efficiency. It is relatively cheap when compared to the on-premise deployment. The changes can be rolled out quickly in the cloud, providing the agility. Certainly, there are few disadvantages like low bandwidth in terms of public cloud, incompatibility of applications when migrating from on-premises environment, along with security issues. Security is relatively high in cloud, but while using a multi-tenancy model in the cloud, it cannot be defined exactly. Economic implications of cloud. The cloud operates on purely operational expense model. There is no capital investment involved in cloud, whereas the on-premises would require both capital as well as operational expense. Total cost of ownership, or TCO. TCO provides the total budget required for running the service for a certain time in years. This can be calculated using the cloud calculators provided by cloud service providers. The presented graph represents the cost comparison of the current on-premises model and the cloud model. It clearly states that we would have saved around 28% a year by moving into the cloud. The numbers presented shows that moving to the cloud is worth for the organization. Initial and one-time expenses. The cloud has one-time expenses. Migration is the main part of the one-time expense. If the organization is relatively new to the cloud, then consultant is required, which adds up to the cost. These expenses can be recovered within the time frame of 1 year. Recurring expenses. The cloud operates only on the recurring expenses. It is termed as operational expense or cloud subscription fees. Usually this is billed monthly based on the usage. The economic analysis shows various benefits such as 28% saving per year, ability to scale and grow rapidly. No direct and indirect expenses are incurred in the cloud. The recommendation is to shift to the cloud model depending on the need. Deployment model can be chosen. IT business needs. There are two types of requirement. They are functional and non-functional. The functional requirements are the core logic to the business. The non-functional requirements are quality factors to the functional requirements. The popular functional requirements are business rules, administrative functions, authorization levels, etc. Non-functional requirements are scalability, capacity, advantages, availability, etc. These requirements has to be satisfied for the business to be feasible. This is comparison of on-premises and cloud. The cloud provides self-service, no capital investment, pooled resources, etc. Whereas the on-premises provide limited resources and complete responsibility for everything. IT business requirement analysis shows the requirements are satisfied by the cloud. Additionally, the return on investment is positive and promotes the cloud migration. SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis helps to take data-driven decisions. Here we present the SWOT analysis for the cloud model. The strength aligns with opportunity and threat. Weakness aligns with threat and opportunity. The SWOT analysis is more positive and promotes the decision of moving to the cloud. In conclusion, the economic analysis, requirement analysis, and SWOT analysis promotes the migration to cloud. Considering the advantages such as cost saving, no investment, favors the cloud adaptation than expanding current infrastructure. Thank you.